Hi, I'm Dave Kaiser. I'm the service manager here at Touareg. I'd like to talk to you about A and B services. What are they and how do they impact you in your life as a van user? An A or B service starts with a multi-point inspection. That gives us, the technicians, the opportunity to look over your van and find anything that might affect you, the end user. During an MPI, we look at your vehicle's engine bay. This is where the majority of the components are that will keep you on the road. We'll also look at your tires to make sure your tire pressure and tire tread wear meet what your van's calling for. We'll look at your suspension and make note of any issues that you might need to have addressed to prevent any issues while you're out there. The A service involves an oil change, checking and replacing wipers if necessary, topping off fluids, replacing key batteries, and then making sure any other components that might impact you are addressed before you leave. In your B service, we're going to do a lot of the things we did in the A service. Fluids topped off, key battery changed, windshield wipers replaced. We're also going to continue what we did in the A service in replacing your fuel filter. After we've done that, we'll replace the compensating ring, which mates your air box to your turbo. That's just to prevent oil seepage and any issues that could result from that. After we've replaced that, we're going to look at your engine filter. If that needs to be replaced, we will. Your vehicle needs to breathe. For you, the user, we're going to replace your cabin filter. Part of the A and B service is also checking your starter battery. We'll also check your aux battery as well. Your aux battery is the one directly behind me under your hood. After hearing all this, you might wonder, when do I perform an A and when do I perform a B? Well, an A service is broken down by 10,000, 30,000, and 50,000 miles. Your B service, 20,000, 40,000, and 60,000 miles, and so on. If your instrument cluster is sending you any messages, lighting up, or you're noticing any weird smells, noises, or vibrations coming from your vehicle, I highly recommend you bring it in. If you have questions or concerns, give us a call, send us an email. We'd like to get you back out on the road and having fun.